Now this problem asks us to rank order the following from least to greatest. Now when I'm looking at these values, I'm seeing percents and I'm seeing fractions and decimals. Most students have an easier time ordering decimals, so we're going to convert these to decimals. I'm looking at 100%. Now, percent means out of 100, so 100% would be the same thing as 100 out of 100, and 100 divided by 100 is 1. So it's 1 whole. Another way of getting this is that it means when we're dividing by 100, we're moving the decimal over 2 places to the left. 1/100th, we have to look at place value. And if I'm looking at place value, I know that the hundredths place, the first place is the tenths, and we have 1/100th, so that's 0.01. Now, 0.001%, we still have to move, if we're converting this to a decimal, we have to move our place value 2 places to the left. So we would end up with 0.00001 as our decimal. 1/10%. If we're looking at the place value of 1/10, we'll have our decimal place, and 1/10, that's our first place value there. And then we have 0.001, 1.1, 10, and the last one, we have 10,000 divided by 100, which is equal to 100, exactly. And another way of finding this is by canceling out the zeros at the end. Remember, you can only do that at the end. So you would end up with 100 over 1, which is also equal to 100. So now we have to rank order these decimals. And I'm going to circle them from least to greatest. So I'm going to number these using 1 as our least up to 8 as our greatest. So our least amount would be the amount that has the more place value after the decimal. So this is the 0.001%. We would have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, hundredths, thousandths. So that I'm going to label as 1. Our next one with the most decimal place values is 0.0001, that's tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So I'm going to label that 2. Then we have 0.01, which will be 3. And we have 0.1, which will be 4. We have 1 whole, which would be our 5th. And then we have 10, or 1.1 comes next, so that's our 6th. And this is our 7th. And our 8th would be 10,100ths.